How to reverse a video in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can reverse a video in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and open the project that you want to work on. And here you can see I have this video over here, and now I want to reverse it. So just select the video by tapping or clicking it, and then you'll get this menu over here. Just swipe in this menu and wait for the reverse option to appear. And once you find the reverse option, just click it. And now you have to wait as the reversing is in progress, and once the reversing is done, you'll see that the video will be reversed. So you can see the progress over here, and just be patient at this step. And once the process is done, here you can see my video has been reversed, and that's the process that you can follow to reverse a video on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.